Welcome to the Jakarta Post video. Today we will demonstrate how to make a simple and beautiful Angpao in less than 5 minutes. You will need card paper, paper glue, and scissors. The first step is fold your card into 3 parts. Make sure to fold it well. And then fold the upper and lower parts. Open them all. And now use your scissors to cut the outer side of your folded card. After you cut the outer side, fold the upper and the lower part like this. Use your scissors to cut the folded part again. And then cut the upper and lower part diagonally like this. Make sure you cut them precisely. Now use the glue. Fold the left and right part of your card. Glue them together. Press the glued parts firmly to make sure they stick well. Now glue the lower part and press it firmly as well to make sure it is glued perfectly. Leave the upper part open so you can put the money in. And this is it, how you make a simple Angpao. We hope you can try this yourself. Thank you for watching.